video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is some private options on landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Talk about the boundaries of this hotel, so you can see on the screen is required to present photo ID and check-in hotel.
Accept major credit cards and reserve the right to rent early more than a month prior to arrival.
Location of the hotel is first class. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Paying for more details, check the description box.
If you are using the shopping, you might this hotel, then you get very